Hey friends, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about using a filter in your coffee pot, and this is something a lot of people don't even know about, and this is something that I just very recently began to utilize. This is a very basic Mr. Coffee coffee maker, which is typically what I use. Occasionally I will use a French press or kind of do like a caveman type of coffee on the stove, but usually I use this because it's quick and easy. Everybody has a different preference. I've also used Keurigs. I mean, I've used every kind of machine out there, but what I want to show you is this particular filter right here. These are very inexpensive. You can order them on eBay, Amazon, Target. They are more expensive from Target, but this is it's a universal actually, and the replaceable filter goes inside of this plastic part. So the plastic part comes with the coffee maker, and then the filter comes separately. So it comes with one when you buy the Mr. Coffee, I do believe, this particular one, but you have to buy replacements. And so they recommend you replace about once a month, especially if you're using your coffee a lot like I do. And then you can tell because your filter will start to get dirty, so you don't want it to start to get dirty. But yeah, you just put the filter on top like this. It's a carbon activated charcoal filter. And so that way, if you are using tap water, which unfortunately most people do use tap water to make coffee, then it's going to filter out a whole lot of chlorine and chloramines and all kinds of things that are bad for you, like hydrofluorosilicic acids and things like that. Birth control has been found in the public water supply, antibiotics. It's just terrible. You don't want to drink tap water. So, and just because your tap water is heating up does not mean that it's going to be safe for you to drink. So please bear that in mind. Is it a little bit better? Yes, but ultimately it's not doing much for you, just heating it up like that. So again, Mr. Coffee, they have these with other brands of coffee makers as well. This is universal, so it's supposed to go with most coffee makers. And I got a 5-pack of these or 6-pack for literally like, I think it was like $5 or $6. Like, it's not very expensive at all. So like I say, if you order them from Target or get them from Target, they're more expensive. But so then you just you just close it up and that's it. And I also want to mention, which I've mentioned before, use a brown paper filter. If you're going to use a paper filter, do not use a white filter, because that will produce dioxins into your coffee, which is really bad for you. Dioxins are carcinogenic chemicals that are produced when in different circumstances, but especially when you heat up white paper products. If you're putting hot food on a paper plate, if you are using a white coffee filter, a bleached paper towel products, toilet paper, you name it. If you're getting those hot, you're exposing yourself to harmful dioxins, and it's not good for you. So brown paper filter, and having that charcoal carbon filter. And I also do use filtered water, but I will usually just use like a Brita pitcher or something like that. So that way my water that I'm putting in the coffee is double filtered. And so it's a much more pristine, healthier way to drink my coffee. So I hope this helps, and I hope this is a unique tip that can help some of you.